Next, since naman tao ka-identify kung unsang quadratic equation o dili mo extend na ta ay mo move forward, sorry. So ang ato ng lesson kay since di ba mo na yung discussion ron quadratic equation by extracting the square root mo tayo magipangutan na ganina. So una dapat kabuluta sa definition kay ug wala definition ita kabulo mo define kung unsa na siya, so wala ra pod. So basahan na to ha. Paminaw. So, a quadratic equation can have two real solutions. One real solution or no solution at all. So, there are several methods for solving a quadratic equation. So, one of these methods is known as the method of extracting the square root. Muna to, ganina yung pangutana. A quadratic equation written in the form of x squared is equal to c can be solved by its method. So this method, which is based on the square root property, is done by extracting the square roots of both sides of the equation. So according to the square root property, for any real number c, the equation x squared is equal to c has exactly two solutions. So x is equal to the square root of c, and x is equal to the square root of c, a negative square root of c. So this solution can also be written as x is equal to positive or negative square root of c. Either positive siya or either negative. So if c is greater than 0, then the equation x squared is equal to c has two real solutions. If c is equal to 0, then the only solution to the equation is x squared is equal to c is 0. So hinumdumi ang conditions. If si c no greater than 0, the equation is x squared is equal to c. But if si c equal to 0, then the only solution to the equation is x squared is equal to z is 0. So, para mas masabtan na to, atong i-try solve ng mga examples. So, solve the equation by extracting the square root and check your answer. So, dapat a x squared is equal to 4. Awon ha, kami now. So, muna siya solution. X squared is equal to 4. So, the square root of x squared is equal to positive or negative square root of 4. So, si x, i-eradicate na ito ang 2. Wala na. So, x na lang. Is equal to positive and negative square root of 4. O sa may square root sa 4? 2. So, x is equal to 2 or x is equal to?
Negative 2.
Ngano man, kay either positive or negative siya. So, kung mangutana ka, ngano nawala si square dire, sa square root of x, because, kano man siya, ma-eradicate man siya, ma-cross out man na siya, kay squared na po niya yung square root. So, muna x na lang na siya. Okay, pangutana. So, next ato i-check. To check your answer, substitute each of the values for the variable in the given equation. So, if si x is equal to 2, atong ikuan ang value sa x. Nahimo siyang 2. So, 2 squared is equal to 4. So, 4 is equal to 4. Hence, true ni siya. Because, negative 2 na po. Negative 2 times negative 2. Negative 2 times negative 2.
Positive 4.
Oh, so true. Kay 4 man. So, pasabot kani siya true. Therefore, the solution to the equation x squared is equal to 4 are 2 and negative 2. Kaya pareha man sila nga 4. So, sakto. Negative 2, positive 2. Ang equation sa x, solution sa equation sa x squared is equal to 4. Sabot? So, B na ta. X squared is equal to 64. Square root of x squared is equal to positive or negative 64. O sa may square root sa 64? 8. So, x is equal to positive and negative square root of 64. So, 8 naman siya. 8 is positive or
Negative.